How to fix Snapchat? Something went wrong. Please try again later. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is turn off your internet connection for a while. Once done, the next thing you want to do is clear the cache of the application Snapchat. In order to do so, head over to the settings of a device, move into General, head over to iPhone Stories. In this page, search for the application Snapchat and then move into it. Once you are in here, tap on Offload App. And then once again you have to click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So once done, now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Snapchat. So simply move into your App Store. Turn on your internet connection. And then in the search bar, search for Snapchat. Simply move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In that case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once your application is up to date, it should definitely fix the issue. If not, try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Snapchat. Something went wrong, please try again later. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.